Alright, there's date and time on my iPhone XR, and in this video we're going to ride the elevators here at 1 Parker Place in Janesville, Wisconsin. These elevators have to meet Otis Lexan, which have working bells as far as I know. Because I heard it on the 3rd floor before I came down here and started. So now let's see which one's going to come. Looks like it's the one on the right, even though the lantern doesn't work. So now we're going to head to 7. Apparently that's a phantom floor right there. So we are at 7. See the classic levels. Look at that, classic levels. Let's see. We'll send this one down and get the other one. Looks like this one's on its way. I think it's right here. And, oh, there it is. Looks like the down lantern on this floor works. Oh, the Smith's classic level, but I did it again. Anyways, let's go on the 1. And this time, we'll get Cat view of the elevator. Looks pretty nice for an office building. And that doesn't apply because I'm the only person in the elevator. There should be an elevator A this time. So here are your fixtures. And if I can get, there's your phone down there. Not an ADA phone. And here we are back down on 1. So we're going to watch this close up. And the lantern works on this elevator, it looks like. There it goes. And that's it.